guys, welcome back to my channel herbn.los. It's your girl Caira, and today's video is going to be a wash day video because as you can see, this looks a dry ass mess. Okay, so we'll start with the fact that I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've really been missing my locks a lot lately, and I have been quite ready to go ahead and start my new set, but I'm really trying to just relax, woosah, and I will let the time come a little bit later. So what I'm going to be doing first is going ahead and making just like a pre-shampoo moisturizer with like a bunch of oils. I guess people call it like a pre-poo. I don't really know what a pre-poo is fully, so I don't know if that would be the correct term, but that's what we're about to do. So we're going to pre-poo this bad boy, let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll wash it and condition it, deep condition it as well. And then I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a roller set or if I'm just gonna use my gel and just do my curls. So I haven't decided quite yet, but we'll see. Anybody that is new here, thank you for being here. Appreciate all of you guys. You guys are amazing. All right, so we got a heap of shit over here, so let's just get to what we need to get to. Here, these are all my deep conditioners that I plan on using. We'll go over those later. This is the gel, we'll go over that later. My mom has some little shriveled Tolenti, whatever it's called, ice cream cup, so we're gonna use this. So mainly, shit ton of coconut oil, boom. We're gonna use some good old olive oil, flaxseed oil, and tea tree oil for a little revitalization. Okay, get a real decent amount here. Olive oil. I think we could put some more up in there. That's probably good. Flaxseed. This shit stinks. That's why I decided to go ahead and do this now, because I know it stinks and this is getting rinsed out. So we did 2 of those. Done. And then we'll add some drops of tea tree. There's some good stuff in there. I think we can rock with this. This is what it looks like. Hopefully this will be enough for my head. Okay, so I've had the same part of my head since I went and got my hair done, so we just gonna follow that bad boy down. And no, I'm not using a comb. Oh, ow. Oh, y'all. Oh, y'all. Ouch. Just going to be a lot more difficult than what I'm expecting it to be right now, and I'm already over it. Where's my spray bottle? So I finished the side, and I'm definitely gonna probably need more, maybe. Okay, so I'm done. So now I'm just gonna put this shower cap on my head. I've never seen a shower cap like this.